We now bring you the conclusion of our two-part interview with actor, director, and producer Patrick Prendergast, known as Sammy from the Jamaican classic Lime Tree Lane series. Check it out.
Who is going to pay me for these signs?
Well, the treasurer of the Citizens Association.
Aha, you're the treasurer, right?
That's right.
Would you say that Lime Tree Lane was your shining moment?
Definitely. I mean, as I say, you can imagine, I mean, I keep talking about the behind the scenes because of, but surely, I mean, Lime Tree Lane was the thing. Everybody knew you because of Lime Tree Lane.
What do you think made Lime Tree Lane work?
It was something, I said yes to doing Lime Tree Lane. I said yes to doing Lime Tree Lane because for me, it was a moment for us to see ourselves. That was the only reason. So when I tell people I did Lime Tree Lane for political reasons, political, no, not partisan, political reasons, that this was an opportunity for young black Jamaicans to see themselves. It's not that we weren't before, but in a consistent way. Well, this was going to be a series. We had short series, we had radio, we had all kinds of things, but on television. And it was representing us in ways that we had not been represented before. Sammy and Bubbles, young people having relationship problems, whatever, all kinds of things. Mas Gussie, Miss Zella, the policeman, the postmistress, all of that. It was real community life that connected with all parts of Jamaica.
I want to go to St. Catherine and go check out this gold thing.
Really?
Yes, man, I need money bad, Bubbles dip on my back.
What bothers me is that we're not building out enough space for people to do the kind of work that we know Jamaicans can do. Our theatre spaces, they're not being properly run, properly developed. We're not seeing the investment in these spaces. We need to get to the days when we have good theatre space the way, for example, Ward used to be. The way, for example, the Little Theatre used to be when, we had the opportunity to go to a theatre and perform. It was really, really good space to be in. We're not seeing that happening. And that's just in terms of what's happening in Kingston. It's not happening out in rural Jamaica either.
Right. Keep your head in the water. Mr. Keep your head in the water.
Mr. Sammy, leave Auntie Bubbles.
Everything I do is about putting others in positions where they can learn about where they are, who they are, and what they can be. So if people, whatever it is, whether it's through Lime Tree Lane that they can draw on something, I would want them, if they're using Lime Tree Lane, to draw on those moments when it is about uplifting each other and uplifting yourself. If it's in the features that we produced, it would be in those moments where what was the educational opportunity here for me to grow, to better myself.
Pree Dis Massive, that's how we close the curtains on this week's episode. Stony Hill Massive, big up phone yourself. I'm your boy Nalda Addy, and it's your boy Dre. Dre, which hairstyle you gonna bless the people them with next week?
That's for the viewers to stay tuned and find out.
Alright, you hear the boss say, so find out next week. Big up on yourself and stay safe. We're out.